Hello, so in this video I'm going to show you a 5-minute scalping strategy for forex, stocks, crypto, futures, doesn't matter, using Ichimoku, kinko here, and CCI. Okay, so first you need just the classic Ichimoku. Okay, so it's this one. All right, and you need CCI. Okay, okay, it's this one. So the setting is default for Ichimoku. Okay, default settings, and disable the lagging span. We don't need this one for this strategy. Not saying it's useless, but we don't need this one for this strategy. And I changed the color a bit. Okay, so green and red. And then you need CCI. Okay, so the setting is 14. Okay, so this is the setting 14. All right. Okay, so for buy, you want the price to be above the cloud, and you want the line, okay, these two lines, so the green has to be above the red. All right, and then for CCI, you basically wait for CCI to dip below negative 100. Okay, so we see the number here, so negative 100, so it dipped here, and basically you wait for it to go back up above negative 100. Okay, so it's here. Okay, you see the number here, negative 65. Okay, so this is our buy signal. All right, this is our buy signal. And where is our stop loss? So basically, you look for the dip. Okay, so this is the dip. So before the dip below negative 100. So here. Okay, so between here and our signal here, where is the lowest point? Okay, so sorry. So between here and our signal, where is the lowest point? So this is the lowest point. Okay, so your stop loss is just few pips below that. Okay, so this is our signal. So you just click, and you can target 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5. Okay, so you target here. Okay, so that's a win there. So okay, so when this happened, okay, all the criteria has to be met. Okay, so the price has to be above the cloud and green above the red. All right. Okay, so for sell, it's the opposite. So the price has to be below the cloud and the line has to be red above the green. Okay, so we wait for the jab above the 100 line. Okay, so this is the jab here. So okay, so and then we wait for it to go back down. Okay, so here it go below 100. Okay, so we see the number here. So 111, and it go back down. So this is our sell. And where is our stop loss? So your stop loss, you go back before it jab above the 100. So okay, so here. So this is the last time before it go up 100. So between here and our signal, what is the highest point? Okay, between here and here, what is the highest point? So it's here. This is the highest point. So our stop loss is just a few pips above that. Okay, so here. Okay, so that's our signal. So it's our signal. So okay, so you can target 1.5 to 1 to 1.5. Sorry, risk reward. Okay, so slightly below that. And okay, so that's our entry right there. You can target 1 to 2 if you want to. Okay, so, and another thing is, if the candle is too big, okay, you don't take the trade. Okay, so you have a signal here, so you buy here. So I don't buy this, okay, because the candle is too big. So you have to be very picky. So you don't want to take every signal. So if you have any question, just comment down below. Okay, I'll reply to every question. All right, thanks.